All right, this is the Poi Factory right here. It's the Waiahole Poi Factory. You can see people out here eating, parking up that way. It's a little rainy, but not too much. Waiahole Poi Factory, Hawaiian food. So you pick up window right here. That's where you get the food from. Look in there. A lot of. You walk around here. There's already a line. Pick up what you want. Let's see, entrees, Lao. Apple taro. Bowls, you can get entrees to grab a plate, besides the milled poi, drinks, a lot of things. You order from over there. Alright, so I know what I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna get the combo right there, the 2 entrees, the poi or rice, and right here it comes with lomi salmon and it will be a cup, so I'm gonna go ahead and order that. Hey, how you doing? Can I get the combo? Yeah. Can I get a Kalua pig? And the lao.
Lala with poi or rice?
Rice, please.
Rice. Anything else?
Can I also get the mamakiti? Unsweetened, please.
Unsweetened.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay. Then are you paying cash or
Card. All right, here it is right here. You can see the lao, shredded pork. You see that right there? That's the salmon, lomi, and you have rice. Absolute